Hi. So in this question, you can see this pedigree, and you have to actually make out and you have to tell that which kind of pedigree does this look like. So for this, let's go through some rules of pedigree. Okay, some rules of pedigree. What are the rules of pedigree? One thing, how do you identify whether it is autosomal? Okay, whether the disease is autosomal or it is going to be X-linked. Because determining Y-linked is very necessary. It is present only on the Y chromosome. Okay, it is autosomal or X-linked. See, if it is showing, if it is showing crisscross inheritance, okay, if it is showing crisscross inheritance, then it is X. If it is not showing, then it is, if it is not showing, then it is autosomal. Okay, then it is autosomal. So here, see, can you see the crisscross inheritance? Let's have a look over here. So see, this particular crisscross inheritance means from male to female, female to male. From here, you can see that from female to female. Okay, so this is basically not crisscross inheritance. So that means it is going to be autosomal. So one thing we are clear about in this case, that this particular disease is a autosomal disease. Now, how to find out whether this particular, pedigree is a recessive pedigree or it is a dominant pedigree? Okay, so there are two rules for it. If it skips a generation, if it skips a generation, then in that case, it is recessive. But if it is not skipping the generation, in that case it is going to be dominant. Okay, so in this case you can see that this generation has been, see here there is skip, here you can see that the children have it, here also you can see the children have it, not all the children have it. So here you can see that one generation got skipped. That means it is a recessive disease. Okay, so we have come down to the pedigree that it is autosomal recessive. So which is the option? Let's have a look at the option. Option number 1 is not autosomal recessive. Option number 2, it is an autosomal recessive trait. Absolutely. Option number 3, it is allosomal. Allosomal means X-linked. So it is not X-linked, that we got to know. And option number 4, it is an allosomal. Again, it is not X-linked. So the correct option that we'll have over here is your option number